Hello everyone, this is Mehul. Let's discuss today about the recently published ad of boatnirvana, and we'll also see what is wrong with the ad and why it will not perform as expected. So as you can see here, there are two CTAs, call to actions for the users to click. Please let me know in the comments where you would have clicked. For buy now type 1 and for shop now type 2. Those users who have clicked on buy now, the button would not have worked for them because it is not a button, it is just a part of the image they are using for the ad. The only CTA where user have to click to buy the product is shop now. And as an advertiser, you want your user to click on shop now. So now you know there are no two CTAs present in the ad. But because of the image they have used, it is actually misguiding and create a bad impact altogether. Remember, you can't have two CTAs in the ad, and you should also avoid the scenario what we have just discussed. Two CTAs will confuse the user and ultimately it will affect the performance of the ad. Now, let's observe this ad and decide where you will click. You will click on shop now, right? The ad which you have just seen looks cool, right? Don't confuse your user and give them the best experience while advertising. Follow me for more such videos and exciting insights.